After understanding how to measure small distances, large distances and very small distances, let us see what is the range of lengths in this universe. So size of objects can vary from very small to very large. We have already seen that size can be less as 10 to the power minus 14 meter and can be as large as 10 to the power 26 meter. That means extent of the observable universe. So we define some units that are much more convenient when we use these type of sizes, very small or very large. So one small unit is Fermi. One Fermi is equal to Fermi, or this is also called femtometer. So 1 F is equal to 10 to the power minus 15 meter. We have also understood as FM, femtometer. Okay. So this is same as femtometer. Next smaller size is 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to power minus 10 meter. So we have already learned about these units. So this is 10 to power minus 15 Fermi or femtometer, and 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to power minus 10 meter. So these are very small units to describe very small sizes. Fermi is generally used to tell the size of the nucleus, and angstrom is generally used to tell the size of an atom or a molecule. Now bigger units. So bigger units are astronomical unit. What is one astronomical unit? That is the average distance of sun and earth. So this is equal to 1.496 into 10 to power 11 meter. So it is very big unit, 10 to the power 11 meter. So if we need much bigger unit than this, so let us see what is much bigger than unit than this. This is light year. So 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. So we already know that velocity of light is very high. Velocity of light is very high. So light travels a large distance in 1 year. So we generally use light year unit to define the stars, that how far they are, because they are generally 4 light years, 5 light years. That means light takes 4 to 5 years to travel from them to us. So those are very far. So 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to power 15 meter. So how did we get this? We multiply this, that number of seconds in a year multiplied by velocity of light. So number of seconds in per year is around 3.15 into 10 to power 7, and we multiplied it with speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8. So what we get? We get around 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Now another bigger unit is 1 parsec. So parsec is the distance at which average radius of Earth's orbit subtends at an 1 degree arc second. So this is quite complex definition, but this is equal to 3.08 into 10 to power 16 meter. This 1 parsec is much bigger unit than this light year, but parsec is generally not used, light year is generally used. So we will use generally light year or astronomical unit. Now let us come to next topic, that is measurement of mass. But before measurement of mass, let us see some ranges of the length. So let us start with the smallest. Smallest thing is the size of proton, that is 10 to power minus 15 meter. Bigger than that, definitely protons are in nucleus, so this nucleus is bigger than that, 10 to the power minus 14 meter. Size of hydrogen atom, this is 10 to power minus 10 meter. Length of typical virus is generally 10 to power minus 8 meter. Wavelength of visible light or visible light, this is 10 to power minus 7 meter. That means virus are smaller than light, wavelength of light. Size of red blood corpuscles, this is 10 to power minus 5 meter. Red blood corpuscle is far bigger than virus. Thickness of paper is generally 10 to power minus 4 meter. that means 0.1 millimeter. Height of Mount Everest above sea level, that is 10 to power 4 meter, around 10,000 meter. Exact, to be exact, 8848 meter, around 10,000 meter. Radius of Earth, so radius of Earth is 10 to power 7 meter. Distance, so these are orders, these are orders. So let us understand what is an order first. So order is, suppose we have a number 1 to 3.16. So this is a formula that we have to remember. And number 3.17 to 10. Okay. So up to 3.16 we put 10 to the power 0. And this is going into 10. After 3.16 we will put it into 10 to power 1, because when it is below 3.16, so we will put in this range. Okay. If the number is more than 3.16, we put in this range. So let us understand with another example. Suppose we have a number 27.5. Okay. And we have another number 81.7. So what are orders? So what are orders? Definitely we can write this as 2.75 into 10 to the power 1. Okay. How can we write this? We can write this 8.17 into 10 to the power 1. Now if you compare, this number is less than 3.16. So what is the order? Order will remain 10 to the power same, 10 to the power 1. So this order is 10 to the power 1. But if you see here, this number is 8.17, that means more than 3.16. So 10 to the power 1 plus 1. So here the order is 10 to the power 2. Let us see one more example. Suppose there are two mountains. One mountain is 2000 meter high. Another mountain is 4000 meter high. So what is the order of their length? Let us take this first one. So we can write this as 2 into 10 to power 3 meter. And we can write this one as 4 into 10 to the power 3 meter. So if this number, not the power, this number is less than 3.16, then we use same order, 10 to the power 3. If this number is more than 3.16, then we use this order plus 1. That means this is order 4 and this is order 3. So this is the way to write the orders. To see this number, not the power, to see this number if this number is less than 3.16 or not. Let us look for one example for smaller distances. Then what happens in smaller distances? Let us look for one small example. Suppose we have one atom. An atom, the size of atom is 1.75 angstrom. We have one molecule, the size of molecule is 6.5 angstrom. So what is their order of magnitude? Length. So we know this can be written as 1.75 into 10 to power minus 10 meter. And this can be written as 6.5 into 10 to power minus 10 meter. So this is less than 3.16. So order is definitely 10 to the power minus 10. Here it is more than 3.16. So order will be one more than this. So how can we calculate 10 to power minus 10 plus 1? So this is 10 to power minus 9 meter. Okay. So this is always one more than this order if this number is more than 3.16. So what is the limit? 3.16. So if it is, this number is more than 3.16, we consider it for next order. Now other objects, distance of the sun from earth, that is 10 to power 11 meter. So we were seeing this distance of moon from earth, that is 10 to power 8 meter. Distance of sun from earth is 10 to the power 11 meter. Distance of Pluto from sun, so this is 10 to power 13. So it is about 100 times larger. Distance of sun and distance of moon is also, there is a difference of 10 to power 3 order. Size of our galaxy, that is 10 to power 21 meter. So definitely our galaxy contains many stars much bigger than sun. Distance of Andromeda galaxy. So our galaxy is Milky Way, nearest galaxy is Andromeda, and the distance to that galaxy is 10 to power 22 meter. Distance to the boundary of observable universe, that is 10 to power 26 meter. So in this way, in this list we have covered from very small distances to very large distances.